Hey, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. This video is a troubleshooting guide for Stanley DuraGlide 2000 and 3000 automatic sliding doors. These instructions apply to direct drive systems, including both single slide and biparting door configurations. If your automatic door is not operating correctly, meaning it is not opening or closing properly, there are a few basic checks you can perform before placing a service call. First, check to make sure the door is not locked. Look for the thumb turn and confirm it is in the unlocked position. If the door is locked, unlock it before continuing. Next, verify that the power switch is turned on. The type and location of the power switch may vary depending on the installation. Take a moment to review the function switch. The door must be set to automatic in order to operate normally. Closed or locked will keep the doors shut. Open will hold the doors in the open position. One way allows the door to activate from only one direction. Reduced will shorten the opening width. Reduced. One way limits the opening width in a single direction. Once you've confirmed the door is unlocked, powered on, and set to automatic, approach the doors to test operation. If the doors still do not respond correctly, the next step is to reboot the system. To reboot the door, turn the power switch off. Wait 5 to 10 seconds, then turn the power back on. When power is restored, the door will enter a learn mode cycle. During this cycle, the doors will open and close very slowly as the operator resets and relearns its limits. If the doors still do not operate properly after the learn cycle, there are a few additional troubleshooting steps you can perform before calling for service. For your safety, always turn the power off before continuing. It is best to troubleshoot during periods of low or restricted traffic whenever possible. If needed, direct foot traffic to an alternate entrance or block off the area around the door to prevent people from walking through while you are working. With the power off, manually slide the door panels open and closed. The panels should move smoothly and evenly without excessive resistance or binding. If the door does not move freely, this may indicate an obstruction or debris in the threshold or track area. Inspect the threshold and track area closely. Small pebbles, dirt, or debris can build up over time and obstruct the path of the door panels. Use a brush or vacuum to clean the track and threshold thoroughly. Do not attempt to clean or adjust the bottom guide on the sliding panel. In some cases, a sliding door panel may become disengaged from its hanger. To check this, gently push the door panel closed from the outside and confirm that the panel is securely attached and properly seated. Once the track is clear and the panels are confirmed to be secure, return to the power switch and restore power to the door. The operator will once again run through a learn mode cycle, opening and closing slowly as it resets. After the cycle completes, observe how the door behaves to determine if normal operation has returned. If the doors open but remain open, inspect the holding beams located near the center and a few inches from the bottom of the stationary door panels. Make sure the area around the holding beams is clear and that nothing is loose or blocking them. If the doors still do not close after several seconds, inspect both the interior and exterior overhead sensors. Look for any promotional signs, merchandise, displays, floor mats, carpets, or stock items that may be obstructing the sensor field or the door's travel path. Also check the threshold area to ensure nothing is in the doorway that could be preventing the doors from closing properly. Clearing these obstructions often resolves doors that remain open or behave inconsistently. This completes the troubleshooting guide for Stanley DuraGlide 2000 and 3000 automatic sliding doors. Performing these basic checks can often resolve common operational issues without the need for immediate service. If the door is still not operating properly after completing all of these steps, professional service may be required. This is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Thanks for watching.